In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 773. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you encounter the Roblox error code 773, to fix this, what you want to do is first open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Now you want to sign into your account. After signing into your account, just click on the gear icon or the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select settings. Now from here in your settings, just go to your privacy settings and make sure that the account restrictions are disabled. So if this is enabled, so let's just try and enable this. So if you see this is enabled, there might be some account restrictions that is causing the error code 773. So you just want to disable this. After disabling, you want to scroll down and you need to find, so if in your end, you can find an option right here, a setting to log out of all other sessions from your device. So you might want to do that. So by doing that, you're making sure that only this computer or your device right now has access to your Roblox account. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.